Imagine standing in a massive hangar, where the magic of aviation comes to life. The Boeing 737, a marvel of engineering, begins its journey as thousands of individual parts come together. Each wing, meticulously crafted, is designed to slice through the sky with grace. As the fuselage takes shape, skilled hands assemble components with precision, ensuring every rivet and bolt is perfectly placed. Advanced technology plays a crucial role, from 3D printing intricate parts to using robotics for flawless assembly. The heart of the 737, its engines, are masterpieces of innovation, designed to be powerful yet efficient, propelling us across continents. Finally, the aircraft undergoes rigorous testing, simulating every possible scenario to ensure safety and reliability. Witnessing this process is a reminder of human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of excellence. The Boeing 737 isn't just an airplane, it's a testament to what we can achieve when we dream big and work together.